Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I detangled my hair. As you can see, my hair is so tangled from the hairstyle that I did before. So now I'm just going to be detangling it, so I decided to take you guys along with me. So let's get right into this video. So what I do is I split my hair into two parts so that it will be easy for me to work with. So I'll just split it into two parts. Then I'll first of all work with one part before I work with the other parts. So what I do is the part that I'm going to be working with, I split it into three parts again. But right now I'm just cutting the part that I'm going to be working with. After cutting that part, and I will pack the other side so that I will not have any distraction while working with the part I want to be working with right now. So this one that I'm working with now, I'll just spray some water on it. You need water. I actually need water for my hair. So we all need water for our hair. So after spraying this water, I'll go ahead and massage it into my hair. If I don't massage the water into my hair, it will not get into my hair. It will just stay on top of my hair. So what I do is I massage it very well into my hair before applying any other products. So right now I'll just apply some of my homemade avocado oil. I will just take a little of that and I will apply it to the hair. So after applying my avocado oil, I will just go ahead and take a little shea butter that I've already melt. I did not melt it too watery, so I just melt it a little bit. I will just take a little of that and I will apply it to the hair also. So after applying my shea butter, I will just go ahead and finger detangle my hair. You can see the way I'm doing it right now, so that when I want to use my white tooth comb, it will be easy for me. After detangling my hair with my finger, I will just take the white tooth comb and I will comb it. So I always start from the ends of my hair. You have to always start from that part, because when you start from the root, it will break. So I always start from the ends and I will just gradually do it to the root. So after detangling it with my comb, I will just go ahead and I will twist that part down. Then we'll move ahead to another part. So now we are still going to do the same thing that we did on the other part. We apply some water and we massage it till the water gets in. Now we are going to apply our avocado oil just like we did on the other one before. A little avocado oil. I don't apply too much. After applying the avocado oil, we take a little of our melted shea butter and we apply it also. After applying it, you massage it to the hair. Massage it till it gets in. After applying shea butter, I will just go ahead and finger detangle the hair. After detangling the hair with our finger, then we'll just go ahead with our white tooth comb and we start from the ends, not from the root, from the ends. Because if you start from the root, your hair will break. So you start from the ends, make sure the ends is detangled, then you just go ahead and work your way through to the roots. After using our comb to detangle it, then we'll just go ahead and we'll twist that part down and move ahead to the next one. That's it for this video. So I will just go ahead and I will do the other parts, then we'll come back for the finished results. So guys, our hair is fully detangled. So the next thing I'm going to do is just brush my edges with my bare hands. After doing that, I would take the twist down. I was actually taking the twist down because I was going somewhere. I need to rush to do something outside and come back because I still have to film another video today again. So I'll just take the twist down and I'll put it in a bun. After doing that, I will do my makeup and I will come back to show you guys the finished look. So guys, this is the finished look. Thanks for watching. Thank you for always supporting me, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment to my videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.